Hi friends, in today's video we are going to look at the share analysis of Tata Motors. The business model is manufacturing of automobiles. As we all know, it is a leading manufacturer in India. Has very good growth potential considering the upcoming electric vehicle and also considering the brand value of Tata. Market cap of this company is 1,11,789 crores, which means the company is a large cap stock, right? And the company is firmly established in the market. It is also the largest automobile manufacturer in India. The current market price is at 312 rupees, which is 48% discounted price from its all-time high of 600 in 2015. The book value is 166, which is 50% of the share price. The book value is 166, which is 52% of the share price. That is also a good news, right? The face value is 2 rupees, which means stock split is possible but not very near. Maybe sometime in the future, maybe after 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. So if you look at the dividend yield, there is no issue in last 5 years, which means there is no dividend has been provided. If you look at the bonus history, you can see issued 4 bonuses, but the last issue came in 1995 at the ratio of 3:5. So in the last 25 years, this company has not issued any bonuses. Hence, you cannot expect any bonuses from Tata Motors. If you look at the 12-month returns, it is good because of the coronavirus impact. The company has registered a 106% growth in the share value. But if you look at the 5-year returns, it is disappointing, and you can see minus 43%. If you look at the maximum returns after listing in stock market, in 22 years, the company has produced a return of 883%, which is good but not very good compared to the most of the shares in the market. Inventory turnover is 4.33, which is also very good. If you look at the earnings per share, you can see it is minus 43, which is poor. And if you look at ROE minus 22.9, ROC 5.82, ROA is 0.82. So almost all financial parameters are looking bad, right? The debt to equity is 2.57, which is slightly alarming. Debt to profit is minus 10.6, which is alarming. Now when you look at the entire financial parameters, it is looking really bad, right? But that doesn't mean that the company is bad. The entire automobile industry in India and abroad is not in a good shape right now, and that is the reason why the financial parameters are like this. Otherwise, this is okay, right? The promoter holding has recently increased to 46.41% from 38.37% in September 2019. That means the promoter has good confidence in the company. If you look at DII, it is 11.47, FII 14.28, has a decent amount, means the company is still attractive for investors. If you look at the stock P, it is minus 10, which is only for the last year. Now you can see that consistent loss for last 3 years, but made consistent profit from 2010 to 2018. Previous 8 to 9 years they have profits, but in the last 3 years they are making consistent losses. Tata Motors global presence is available in the annual report, page number 6. Also, you can see the Tata Motor products in annual report, page 7 and 8. So let's check both of these things. Going to page 6, you can see their global presence. You can see the company is established in India, it's in China, it's in Europe, and it is in UK, and it has another plant in North America. So the company is spread across globe. Here you can see the product of Tata Motors. You can see passenger vehicles, SUV type cars. You can see the commercial vehicles, the lorries, trucks and buses, expensive cars like Jaguar and Land Rover, Range Rover. Here you can see expensive cars like Jaguar and Land Rover, also Range Rover type cars. If you look at the subsidiaries, Tata has around 40 subsidiaries. Tata Motors alone include Jaguar, Tata Technologies, etc. So the company has a very large number of subsidiaries. Organization is headquartered in Mumbai. The remuneration paid to the directors, which is 9 members, is 9 crores. So which means only a small amount is taken as salaries, right? And this is reasonable. So company was founded in the year 1945, that is before independence, and overall 75 years has been passed. Recently Q1 financial results are announced, and it shows an operating profit of 5243 crores, but net data shows, and it shows an operating profit of 5243 crores, but the net data shows a loss of 4451 crores. Hence company is in loss for last 3 years, No dividend is expected this year also. Now let's go to the technical part. If you look at the 200 exponential moving average line, this pink line, it is clearly below the price line, which means the chart looks bullish, right? And also you can see this 48 and 13 exponential moving average is almost at the verge of a crossover. So which means again the moving average also shows it is bullish. If you look at MACD is near 0, which is neutral, and before it was below 0. So it is also showing a bullish signal, right? Stochastics is in the overbought zone, but still it is bullish. If you look at RSI, it is somewhat in the strong zone but neutral. Overall it looks like price may consolidate at this point for some time, and after that it will rally to 350-360. Now the same thing is mentioned here as well. 200 exponential moving average is bullish. 13 and 48 EMA is looking neutral but slightly bullish. Current price is somewhat okay for the purchases. MACD, even though it is negative, but it is slightly bullish. Expecting share to hit 350 sooner. Stochastics is bullish but in the overbought zone. RSI index is slightly higher but still in the neutral zone. Price is expected to go up sharply after a small consolidation up to 7 days consolidation, followed buy on dip strategy. Support can be found at 305, 295 and 280 levels. Any price around or below 380 will be a fair entry point. Opportunity is only for short and medium term. You have to understand that long term investment looks slightly riskier considering the debt profile, because Tata has lot of debt, right? Debt of Tata is mainly due to the acquisitions of many companies and due to the coronavirus depression in automobile sector. So that doesn't mean that this company is bad. This company has a very good growth potential, so you can invest safely. Between 280 and 300 will be much better entry. Minimum and maximum long-term portfolio allocation is 2% and 4% respectively. That means you can buy 7 to 15 quantity for a portfolio size of 1 lakh. Immediate target is 330, medium term target 350 to 360. Long term target is 400 to 450. Now many will be thinking that Tata Motors has a lot of debt. Because of that we cannot invest in Tata Motors safely. And that is the main reason why the share price is low. Considering its all time high, it was 560. It is now only 312, right? But I firmly believe that in the coming future, Tata has a lot of growth potential. They are going to consolidate all their debts and they are going to grow strongly. So just because of that reason, I believe that you can invest safely in Tata Motors. Now, if you like our video, please subscribe and like our channel. Thank you for watching.